Hello everyone, myself Heming Sathwara and I am working in SG Institute of Engineering and Technology. So in today's session we are going to discuss on relay. So with the help of this relay we are going to control two different types of lamp, or we can say bulb. So how it can control on or off this two bulb, which we are going to discuss in this session. So let us start with this outline first. So here you can see this is the outline of this session. Number 1, components. Number 2, how relay works. Number 3, system layout. Number 4, program. We are going to discuss about actual representation in Proteus software. And finally, I'll show you the demonstration of this project. So let us start with components. So here you can see these are the components which we are going to use in this project. So here you can see this is the relay, in which this board we are going to use two different types of relay, because we are going to control two bulb or lamp. That's why we are using here two relay. So here you can see first this is known as relay. Now NO, here you can see NO. NO stands for it is normally open switch. Then COM, that is basically common. NC, that is basically normal closed. Again repeat, NO, COM and NC. Here at this side, this terminal, it is known as controlling terminal, which we are going to connect with this Arduino board. So VCC, that is basically our 5 voltage power supply. IN1, IN2, in which we are going to connect with this output of Arduino board, and ground. So now relay, how relay works, how relay on or off. So that demonstration, it is given besides this picture. We are going to use coil 1 and coil 2. Whenever your current flowing from coil 1 to coil 2 at this time in this direction, so what happened at this time, your coil will be energized. It is clearly visible over here. It is red light that indicates it is energized. So due to this magnetic field, this switch is attracted towards this coil, and this switch is known as SPDT. So SP, that is single pole, DT, it stands for double throw switch. So it is one type of switch which is known as SPDT, single pole. Here it is movable pole, which is single. Double throw, it can throw two side. Here number 1 NO side, and here number 2 NC side. So that's why it is known as single pole double throw switch. So whenever current can flow from this coil, so it will be magnetized, and due to this coil, this switch will be attracted towards NO side, NO terminal. Otherwise it will be close to the NC side. So like this we are using, because magnet, through passing the current into the coil, we will switch on and off. So here you can see this is the Arduino board pin diagram, in which we are going to connect a USB plug with this laptop and upload program into this ATmega 328 microcontroller. In this program we are going to use various pins, digital and analog. So next one is how relay works. So you can see here one coil is present in between this, here in center of this. Above this there is a contact. Two contacts are available. One is stationary contact and second one is moving contact. Stationary stands for it is stable, fixed, and moving, it attracted towards this stationary contact. That means one type of switch. Whenever current can flow from this coil, so it is attracted toward this side and there will be a noise of clicking. So it is on or off. So the relay uses an electric current to open or close the contacts of a switch. This is usually done using the help of coil that attracts the contacts of a switch and pulls them together when activated. So there are two advantages of this system. Number one, current required to activate the relay is much smaller than the current that relay contacts are capable of switching. And number two, the coil and the contacts are galvanically isolated, meaning there is no electrical connection between them. So here you can see relay works due to this coil. Whenever current can flowing from that coil, so switch is on or off, and according to this switch we can control various appliances like fan, motor and bulb, etc. So here you can see this is the system layout in which we are going to use Arduino board. Then it is connected to the here. This is a relay. This one is a relay board in which we are going to use relay number 1 here and relay number 2. So 2 relay for the controlling of 2 lamp. So it is connected with this bulb 1 and bulb 2. Basically this is the output. So this is system layout which we are going to connect according to this layout. So next, most important, for relay to control bulb, in which we just have to define various lamp 1 and lamp 2. Lamp 1 is equal to 8, lamp 2 is equal to 9. Void setup, pin mode that declares the pin. It is input or output. So here lamp number 1 it is output, lamp number 2 is it is output again. Serial dot begin 96,000. Void loop. Once here we are going to repeatedly run this program. That's why we are using void loop. Digital write lamp 1 high. Serial dot print ln lamp 1 is on, because we have to print lamp 1 is on in serial monitor. That's why we are using this. Delay 4000 microsecond. So that means 4 seconds. Digital write again lamp 1 low, digital write lamp 2 high, print ln lamp 2 is on this time, delay, and again digital write lamp 2 is low. So this is our program for today's project. So here you can see this is the real construction of relay. So here you can see these are the 3 terminals in which we are going to connect this with this common. This is common. Again common terminal, it is connected to here. This is common, and here it is live wire. So like this you should connect bulb with this relay board. Now make sure according to your program, whatever pin you are defined, you just have to connect with this Arduino board. If your lamp number 1 it is connected to the pin number 8, then it should be connected to the pin number 8. So here you can see this is IN1, so it is going to be connect with this 8 number of pin. Now here IN2 it is going to be connected with pin number 9, because we define this as an integer value 8 and 9 pin. That's why we are going to connect this 2 pin numbers. Here it is VCC 5 voltage and other one is ground. So like this you can connect your relay with this Arduino board. Now this is the actual representation in Proteus. So you can connect your bulb or lamp 1 and lamp 2 along with this Arduino board. So here you can see this is the actual representation in Proteus. Here it is the Arduino board. Now we just have to upload program in microcontroller. So for that you have to double click on this Arduino board. So here you just here copy and paste the link which is verified. So here is the program Arduino IDE. We just have to verify this program. So for that you just have to click on this right mark. So it will be verified. If there is an error, it shows in red line. Now it is compiling sketches. Here you can see it is in progressing. So compiling is done. Now we just need to copy this link.hex file, which is known as. We just have to copy this location and paste it here. Like this, and click OK button. So basically I am uploading this program into microcontroller. We just want to play. Here you can see lamp 1 is on. Right now lamp 1 is on. This is virtual terminal. Now after 4-second delay, lamp 2 is on. So it is on virtual terminal, lamp 2 is on. After 4-second delay, again lamp 1 will be on, like this. So you can perform this practical on Proteus as well. So you have seen this project in Proteus. Now here you can see the actual representation, or we can say demonstration of hardware interfacing with relay.
As you can see here, this is the relay board which is interfacing with this Arduino Uno, and in which we are going to control this lamp 1 and lamp 2. So as per our program, pin number 8 and 9 is connected to this relay board. Here you can see 8 and 9 is connected to this relay board, and relay wires are connected accordingly to this lamp number 1 and lamp number 2. Here you can see black wire is cutting with this neutral. Now here you can see. So this time your lamp 2 is on. Here you can see lamp 2 is on, and this time lamp 1 is on. Be precisely, we can see here in system monitor, lamp 2 is on, lamp 1 is on. So basically we are trying to control this appliances with the help of Arduino board automatically.
So that's it for today's session. I hope you all understand about this relay which is interfacing with the Arduino board. Thank you.